So I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, as you can tell. And today I might be picking up 2 snow machines. So we're just here at his place, washing his truck. He just went through, did the bearings and his lights and his re-bolted on the plywood for us to go pick them up. But like, look at the cool stuff he has. Dirt bike, Harley, Baja mini bike, all the fun stuff. He always has fun stuff. But so I gotta take this thing out. Again, Redneck Central. So plans changed. There's no snowmobiles, but there's a transmission and a man, and his truck is over there, but his transmission apparently doesn't live here. Or not transmission, trailer. My transmission. So don't worry, it spilled all its guts because I didn't want to travel with the dipstick and lose it, so I pulled it out. Otherwise, to just get this nice
rustic look.
Yeah, barn treated wood. Grease up these joints a little bit too. But
you're just making my trailer look brand new.
Turbo 350. Sad I didn't get the tail shaft. That sucks. That's gonna be expensive. I'd say probably be like $150.
You got the tail shaft. Yeah.
The yoke. So, but that, now I have to marry that to this, and marry this to this abomination. And get a custom drive shaft. Then get a custom drive shaft, and I need to look for a bolt-on yoke. Because I prefer bolt-on drive shafts like this one is. Like not bolt-on, like bolt-on to the U-joint. Like this. And then this will be the driveline for this. That's nuts. I have a driveline for this. And he's wearing a Schneider Classic shirt.
Woo! Bye, Mert.
It'll help do more stuff with this. But I am going to say in this video, if anyone has, because I'm putting, it is a 4.3 V6 Vortec engine. If anyone has put a V8 or a small block Chevy, because it's a small block Chevy, into an S10 frame, like what mounts do I, oh my god. What mounts do I need? Is there just some mounts I can buy? Because I'm having a hard time looking online. You're pissing.
I'm staining.
You're staining my grass.
My trailer.
Stop it. So this has to go to the S10 frame. There was an iron duke in here. There's maybe more than enough room for this engine. That's not a problem. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. The hot rod begins. I'm sorry these videos are all over the place. Like, I'm still all over the place with being at the new address. It's awesome getting all the parts for this. I don't know anything about automatic transmissions, what these wires do. There's 3 wires there, no idea. I know it's a Turbo 350. So there's fluid all over it because we took the dipstick out while transporting it. So they need to be topped off when I do it anyways. And I need a yoke, and I don't have. 4.3 Vortec V6 engine, TH 350, Turbo 350. This is gonna be fun. If you guys have any knowledge, like I said before, if you have any knowledge on how I can do this for engine mounts and transmission mounts and everything like that, please let me know, because this is, 1, I've never done anything with a Vortec engine. 2, I don't touch automatic transmissions, so I have no idea what I'm doing here. So if you have any knowledge, please share, because I need it. And I'm gonna level this out so this stops leaking. I'm pretty sure I have a small block Chevy flex plate at home. I just have to make sure I take this off first. Well, at the farm, I just got to make sure I take off the manual flywheel off first, and they should, as long as they're the same tooth count, I can use the starter. If they're not the same tooth count, well, I'll figure it out. I'll get one that is. This is gonna be fun. Went to go snowmobiles, no snowmobiles. Went and got a transmission instead. We got the transmission. Lady phones me back and says, I'll take your offer on those snowmobiles. So, this guy's back.
Good. Yeah, you're staring at my fuzzy dice.
Oh.
Hi.
The dice are more interesting. I need to get some dice for my car. So one sled's home. Time to go get the other one. I'm sweating my ass off. He's getting going. I now have a couple snowmobiles to mess around with.
One assumably runs.
Yeah, one
Kind of.
One fired up once and then was like, yeah, no more. So I'll play with them. Thank you, I don't even know what to call you.
Man with the truck.
The what?
The man with the truck.
The man with the truck. The man with the truck has delivered. This is a crazy video. Whatever. I'm gonna end it here. There's 2 snowmobiles. I'm tired. He's tired.
Beer. It's time for beer.
I'm gonna go find a nice bar.
Have fun. Fuel everywhere. And my landlords say hate me. Oh well, I'll mess with it.
When I be waiting, sometimes I wish I was